Hi, my name is Joe Racc. Today I want to talk to you about the best natural oil absorbent on the market called Absorb-Z, formerly known as Cyclene. Absorb-Z is 100% natural clinoptilite zeolite. Zeolite is a natural mineral formed from volcanic ash. Its honeycomb molecular structure allows for the cation transfer. This action splits and holds the oil within its molecular structure. Due to Absorb-Z chemical formula, the absorption capabilities is superior to other absorbents on the market. Today we will show how Absorb-Z can absorb a spill using less than the amount of its competitors. Now you notice how the clay-based competitor's product is all oily and the floor is damp. Absorb-Z retains its granular condition. It's not oily and the floor is actually dry. Two of the most common spills are motor oil and hydraulic oil. Absorb-Z leaves the floor dry compared to the slippery sheen of the competitors. To summarize, Absorb-Z is a non-toxic, fast absorbent using less than the amount of the competitor's product. This simple exercise shows that Absorb-Z does make a difference. Order your Absorb-Z today if you have to pick up coolant, brake fluid, gasoline, axle grease, power steering fluid, hydraulic oil, motor oil, diesel oil, marine lubricants, cooking oil, and grease. Absorb-Z is available from select distributors only.